Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to our maths class. Today we are going to attempt our word problems on our book page number 284. These questions are related to area and perimeter again. So you have to revise your formulas first to attempt these questions. Okay, I'm just going to tell you only the formulas and method. Rest of the questions you will do by yourselves. You have to do practice these questions at your home on your rough copies and registers as well. Okay, question number 1. Perimeter of a rectangular photo is 24 centimeter. Its length is 8 centimeter. What is the breadth of the photo? Okay, which thing is given, area or perimeter? Perimeter is given, it means we are going to use formula of perimeter of rectangle, that is equal to length plus breadth equals to perimeter divided by 2. After putting the values you will get your answer, and whenever you will find the breadth you will subtract the value of length. Okay, from the given answer 12 minus 8 you will get your answer of the breadth. Question number 2. The perimeter of a rectangular frame is 38 centimeter. Its breadth is 7 centimeter. What is the length of the frame? This is the same question. In previous question you find out the breadth of the photo, but in this question you are going to find the length of the frame. Formula will be the same. Question number 3. The perimeter of a square tile is 56 centimeter. What is the length of each side of the square tile? Okay, this is a square tile. We are going to find the length of this square tile, and we will use the formula of perimeter of a square, and you know that is 4 multiplied by length, but after transforming we will write it like perimeter divided by 4. Okay, move to the next page, page number 285. Question number 4. Area of a rectangle 54 centimeter square. Its length is 9 centimeter. What is breadth? Again the formula you will use by using the area of that shape. Okay, that is breadth of the rectangle equals to area divided by its length, that is given 9 centimeter. After putting the values you will get your answer. Question number 5. The area of a piece of square cardboard is 64 centimeter square. What is the length of each side of the square? Again you are going to put the formula of square. Okay, area of the square, that will be, you will find answer of one side of the length. Okay, these were the solved word problems on your book. Now we are going to attempt further our word problems on our book. You will solve these questions on your book as well. Question number 1. The area of a rectangular plot of land is 200 meter square and its breadth is 8 meter. What is the length of the plot of land? Okay, the formula of we are going to use here length equals to area divided by breadth, because we want to find the length of one side only. So that is, we are going to use the formula of area of rectangle. Question number 2. The area of a square plot of land is 36 meter square. Find its length and perimeter. We are going to find two things here. Firstly, we are going to find length and then perimeter. By using the area formula, we are going to write here length multiplied by length equals to area. After putting the values, you will find the length of one side, and then you will get your perimeter by adding all the sides of the square. Move to the next page, page number 286. Question number 3 is not included in your syllabus, so please don't attempt it. Question number 4. The area of a square mat is 25 meter square. Find its length. Okay, area of a square mat. Mat is square. Okay, तो हमने कौन सा formula use करना है? We are going to use length multiplied by length equals to area, because by using the formula of area of a square we are going to find the length of one side here. Question number 5. The area of a rectangular floor is 108 meter square. The breadth of the floor is 9 meter. Find its length. Again, we have a rectangular floor shape here. Okay, and by using the formula of area of rectangle, we are going to write here length equals to area divided by breadth, because we are going to find length here, and after putting the values we will find the length of this rectangular floor. Question number 6. The perimeter of a square picture is 84 centimeter. Find its length and area. Here we are going to find two things here. Students, first of all we are going to find length by using the formula perimeter divided by 4, because this is a square shape. So after dividing we will get answer 21 meter. Now we are going to find the area. And what is the formula of area? Length multiplied by length. Okay, अब हमारे पास वन साइड की लेंथ आ गई है. We can multiply them. So 21 multiplied by 21, you will get your answer 441 meter square. Question number 7. The perimeter of a rectangular piece of land is 50 meter. its breadth is 8 meter, find its area. I have done this question here. First of all, I am going to write formula, that is length plus breadth equals to perimeter divided by 2. ओके हम कैसे फाइंड करते हैं? अगर हमारे पास पेरीमीटर की वैल्यू गिवन हो और रेक्टेंगल शेप हो, द फॉर्मूला विल बी लेंथ प्लस ब्रेथ इक्वल्स टू पेरीमीटर डिवाइडेड बाय 2. आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग देम यू विल गेट आंसर, दैट इज 25, और हमें लेंथ चाहिए. आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग दैट वैल्यू वी विल गेट लेंथ, दैट इज 17 मीटर. नाउ द सेकेंड स्टेप इज फाइंड इट्स एरिया. एरिया का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है रेक्टेंगल शेप का? लेंथ मल्टीप्लाई बाय ब्रेथ. लेंथ में मिल गई 17 मीटर एंड ब्रेथ इज already given, that is 8 meter. After multiplying them we will get answer, that is 136 meter square. Students, all these questions you are going to attempt on your book. Okay, so you have to do these questions very carefully. First of all you have to remember the formulas, then you have to attempt these questions. Thank you so much students. Allah Hafiz.